Good morning, students! Magandang buhay at mabuting tao. I am Sir CJ Luna, and today I'll teach you how to rewrite linear equations. You will learn the two forms of the linear equations, namely slope-intercept form and the standard form. The steps in rewriting linear equations will also be discussed. It is expected that after this video lesson, you are equipped on what a linear equation is and its application to real life. Based on the learning competency, this video lesson will help you write the linear equation ax plus by equals c in the form y equals mx plus b and vice versa. Specifically, you are expected to describe linear equations in two variables, rewrite linear equation from the standard form to slope-intercept form, and recognize the applications of linear equation in real-life situations. You have learned in our previous video lesson that the standard form of a linear equation in two variables is written as ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b are not both zero. Also, the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line is written in the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. M and b are real numbers. So this time, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magra-write ng linear equations. Handa na ba kayo? That's good. Unahin natin ang standard form to slope-intercept form. Alam natin na ang standard form ng linear equations ay ax plus by equals c. Lahat ng terms na may variables ay nasa left side. At nasa right side naman yung ating constant. Ang slope-intercept form naman ay y equals mx plus b. Sa left side yung ating variable y at ang lahat ng mga terms natin ay nasa right side. Let's say ang example natin ay 3x minus 5y equals 10. Yan ay nasa standard form. We will rewrite it into slope-intercept form. So paano gagawin yun? Kailangan sa left side matira lang yung negative 5y. So paano tatanggalin yung 3x dun sa left side? We will apply addition property of equality. Mag-a-add tayo ng additive inverse ng 3x sa ating buong equation. Both sides. Okay? So ang additive inverse ng 3x ay negative 3x. So we add negative 3x to both sides of our equation. At meron tayong ganito ngayon. Okay? Then, we will simplify. Simplify natin yung ating nakuhang equation. So we can add 3x and negative 3x, that will become 0. Okay? So now we only have negative 5y equals negative 3x plus 10. Yung sa right side natin, inayos lang natin. We write the term with the variable x first. So naging negative 3x plus 10 siya nun. Okay? Pero hindi pa to yung ating slope-intercept form, although nasa left side na yung y natin. Kasi, kailangan ang coefficient ng y natin ay positive 1 lang. So, ito ay negative 5. So, paano natin gagawin positive 1 yung negative 5? We will do multiplication property of equality. We will multiply negative 1/5 to the whole equation. Or we can also divide the whole equation by negative 5 para makancel yung negative 5. Okay? So now let's simplify. We only have y equals negative 3 over negative 5. Ano yung simplified form nun? Okay, that's good. It's positive 3 over 5x. Tapos, yung 10 divided by negative 5 is negative 2. So, our answer now is y equals 3 over 5x minus 2. Yun ang slope-intercept form ng ating given na 3x minus 5y equals 10. Nakuha ba? Good. Let's have another example. Let's say we have negative 6x plus 3y minus 1 equals 0. this given is not in the standard form. Kasi yung ating constant na negative 1 ay nasa left side. Okay? Pero, pwede mo rin itong isulat sa slope-intercept form. Pareho lang. Okay? Kailangan matira lang sa left side ay yung y. Okay? So, this is our given. So, kailangan niyan yung ating x tsaka yung constant malipat sa kabila. So, we will just transpose. Okay? Shortcut tayo. Transpose natin. Ibig sabihin ng transpose, yung negative 6x, ililipat mo sa right side, kailangan yung kanyang sign mag-iiba din. From negative 6x, magiging positive 6x siya nun. Okay? Ganun yung transposition. You are changing the sign of the term. Tapos, yung negative 1 naman, transpose din natin siya sa kabila, magiging positive 1 siya nun. Okay? So, meron tayo ngayong 3y equals 6x plus 1. So, nakaayos na yung ating mga terms. Yung y natin nasa left, tapos the rest of our terms are on the right side. Pero, kailangan natin gawing 1y lang yung ating left side. So, what are we going to do para mawala yung coefficient na 3? Okay, correct. We will divide our whole equation by 3. So, cancel na yung 3 doon, and then we will simplify our answer. Y equals 6x over 3, that will be 2x plus 1/3. Okay? So, yun ang ating sagot. Ang slope-intercept form ng negative 6x plus 3y minus 1 equals 0 ay y equals 2x plus 1/3. Ngayon naman, baligtad. From slope-intercept form, gagawin nating standard form. At ito yung ating mga forms of linear equations, di ba? Ang slope-intercept form ay y equals mx plus b. And then, gagawin natin siyang standard form na ax plus by equals c. Let's say, ang ating halimbawa ay y equals 1/2 x plus 3. So, that is our given. Okay? And if you notice, yung given natin ay meron siyang fraction. 1/2. Okay? So, kailangan, ang unang gagawin dyan ay tatanggalin mo muna yung fraction. So, mag-multiply tayo kung ano yung denominator natin. Okay? So, ang ating denominator ay 2. So, we will multiply the whole equation by 2. So, we multiply 2 dun sa left side. So, 2 times y yun. Okay? And then, ganun din sa right side, nag-multiply tayo ng 2. So, 2 times the quantity 1/2 x plus 3. Then, we will simplify. 2 times 2y is 2y. Then, we will distribute 2 to our terms inside the parentheses. So, 2 times 1/2 x equals 1x, or simply x. And then, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So, we have 2y equals x plus 6. And if you notice, ang ating standard form ay ganyan, di ba? Lahat ng terms na mayroong variable nasa left side. Ang matitira lang dapat sa right side ay yung constant natin. So, dito, meron tayong x sa right side. So, kailangan mawala yan. So, what are we going to do para mawala yung x dun sa right side? Very good. We will apply the addition property of equality. Ano yung additive inverse ng x? That is negative x. So, nag-add tayo ng negative x to both sides of the equation. So, we have this now. Okay? Then, we will simplify. X plus negative x is 0. So, mawawala na yun. Okay? So, we only have now negative x plus 2y equals 6. So, dito, we just rewrite it into negative x plus 2y. Inayos natin. Nauna yung variable na x, followed by y. Okay? But this is not yet the standard form. Kasi, kailangan yung coefficient ng ating x ay positive. So here, we have negative x. So paano gagawin yung positive yun? Okay, very good. We will multiply the whole equation by negative 1. Okay, so now we will simplify and we get the final answer, x minus 2y equals negative 6. Okay, paano nakuha yun? Negative 1 times negative x, positive x. Negative 1 times 2y, negative 2y. Negative 1 times 6, negative 6. So this is now our answer. Okay? So tatandaan nyo lang, kapag ang given natin na slope-intercept form ay fraction, ang gagawin mo muna ay gawin mo siyang whole number lahat. Okay? Tatanggalin mo yung denominator. Pagkatapos, kapag yung kapag yung coefficient ng variable x mo ay negative, gawin mo siyang positive. Paano gagawin positive? Mag-multiply ka ng negative 1. Okay? Nakuha ba yon? Very good. Let's have another example. Example number 2. Meron tayong y equals negative 2x plus 6. So dito, hindi siya kamukha ng number 1 na meron tayong fraction. Okay? Dito, ang coefficient ng x natin ay negative 2 lang. Okay? So gagawin mo lang dito ay transpose mo lang yung negative 2x dun sa kaliwa. Tandaan mo, kapag ikaw ay nagtatranspose, nagpapalit ka ng sign. Okay? So, mula negative 2x, lilipat mo siya, magiging positive 2x. And then, kopyahin mo lang yung positive y equals 6. So, ito na yung ating sagot. Okay? Ganun lang siya kasimple. Nag-transpose lang tayo. Next. Example number 3. Y equals 5x plus 7. So, kamukha lang siya ng number 2. Ang ating coefficient para sa x ay positive 5. So, lipat mo lang siya agad doon, transpose mo lang siya doon, magiging negative 5x. And then copy, positive y equals 7. Pero ito, hindi pa ito yung ating sagot. Diba? Kasi yung ating coefficient para sa x ay negative 5. Kailangan yan ay maging positive. So, anong gagawin natin? We will multiply the whole equation by negative 1. Okay? So, what will be our answer now? Very good. The answer is 5x minus y equals negative 7. Ngayon naman, apply natin sa real life situation yung ating napag-aralan. Okay? Let's say we have this situation. Caleb's mother asked him to buy apple and orange in the market. Each apple cost 20 pesos and each orange cost 10 pesos. He was told by his mother to spend exactly 100 pesos. So let x represents the number of apples and y represents the number of oranges Caleb bought. Number 1, we will have to write an equation in standard form modeling the situation. Okay? Mula daw sa problem na to, gagawa tayo ng equation. Gagawa tayo ng equation in standard form para pinapakita yung sitwasyon na meron tayo dito. Okay? And then number 2, using your answer in number 1, rewrite the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Okay? Kaya niyo bang gawin yan? Okay, tignan natin, no? This is our solution. So first, we have to write an equation in standard form. So sabi natin kanina, yung ating apple ay represented by the variable x. Tapos naman, yung ating orange ay represented by the variable y. Okay? So each apple costs 20 pesos. So yan ay magiging 20x. Kasi yung apple natin ay x. Okay? And then each orange costs 10 pesos. Kung yung orange mo ay y, so meron tayong ngayong 10y. And then the total cost is exactly 100 pesos. So that is equal to 100. Okay? So given this data, ano ngayon yung ating equation? Very good. We have the equation 20x plus 10y equals 100. So yun ating sagot sa number 1. Standard form ng ating linear equation. Okay? Next, number 2, yung ating sagot sa number 1, gagawin natin siyang slope-intercept form. So we will rewrite the given linear equation. 20x plus 10y equals 100. Okay, so paano gagawin dito? Kapag sinabi mong slope-intercept form, that is y equals mx plus b. So kailangan matira lang sa left side yung 10y. So anong gagawin mo para mawala yung 20x? Very good, we will add negative 20x to both sides. And then simplify. We now only have 10y equals negative 20x plus 100. Then, kailangan matira lang sa left side ay y. So, kailangan mawala yung 10. We will divide the whole equation by 10. So, cancel mo yung 10. And then simplify the equation. We have the answer y is equal to negative 2x plus 10. Kasi, ito ay na-cancel na yan. And then negative 20 divided by 10, that is negative 2. So we have now negative 2x. And then 100 divided by 10 is 10. Okay, so the answer is y is equal to negative 2x plus 10. Okay, let's summarize our lesson. An equation of the form ax plus by equals c can be written in the form y is equal to mx plus b is a linear equation in two variables. Standard form. The linear equation in the form ax plus by equals c where b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0. And then the slope-intercept form. The linear equation y is equal to mx plus b is in the slope-intercept form where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So that's it. We're done with our lesson. Okay? So I hope clear na sa inyo yung ating lesson. Clear na sa inyo kung paano mag-write ng linear equations from standard form to slope-intercept form. Kaya naman baligtad. From slope-intercept form, gagawin mo siyang standard form. Okay? So thank you very much for listening. Thank you so much for watching this video lesson. I hope to see you again next time. As I always say, be good always and God bless us all.